Hey guys, so last year Wade and I decided that we were going to downsize our home. We found a small 600 square foot home on a half-acre lot in the country. We decided we'd purchase it, and basically we had to gut the whole thing and renovate it. So this is part one of many videos to come of our renovation series.
This is day one of the demo work that we're about to do to our new house we bought. So I was going to walk you guys through everything so that you can kind of see what McAllister and I are fixing to do. So this is kind of the walk through the house here. Living room, a lot of work to do. We're going to redo the floors throughout the entire house. All of the walls will be re-sheetrock, get rid of this paneling. All new trim work, new windows, new door, new light fixtures, getting rid of that and going to a different type of heating and cooling system. Also a new door, new countertops, new appliances, freshen up the cabinets we've already got. This wall, hopefully we'll be able to remove this wall and open up the living room a little bit more. The bathroom, completely redone. And I mean completely redone. And then we're gonna try to pull this wall out to the end here where the door starts to open up a little bit more closet space. And then this one bedroom here where we're gonna redo all the trim, light fixtures, new sheetrock everywhere, and then the same in this bedroom here. And then of course replace all the windows throughout the house and the light fixtures. So that's what McAllister and I have going for us today. We are going to pull up all the trim. We are going to remove probably that vanity, some other stuff, and then we have got a lot of yard work to do because it needs mowed, and then at some point get rid of all these leaves, get rid of all these rocks. So a lot of work, definitely a lot of work. That's just the front, the back is even worse. But this is day one, hey McAllister, day one of our step towards a new house. Oh yeah, and then definitely that mirror, gone. Or medicine cabinet, ugh. So the bathroom's gonna look stellar when we're done. Hopefully the whole house looks stellar. Alright, so this is where we're at so far. Just probably about an hour into pulling the trim from the living room. I'm gonna wait on pulling this paneling down, start in the hallway, but McAllister has been taking out his summertime aggression in this bedroom. So plans today is to have this bedroom all the sheetrock knocked off the wall here, all the trim in the hallway, and then we'll start doing some yard work and call it a day. What do you think? Yeah. Flooring we pulled up most everywhere. There's still some left in the kitchen here. Alistair's still in here hanging on some sheetrock. We're gonna finish that room Friday and start the other room. You can see he is there. Yeah, so this room didn't get touched. The bathroom did not get touched at all. So no shocker. And I also mowed most of the backyard. Still got that tall stuff. It goes way back to that tree line back there. I don't know how I'm gonna get that. And then I mowed the front yard as well. So not a bad day one in the new Braden house. Peace. All right, so we're back for day 2 of demo. We're gonna continue to work on some of the walls, try to get all the sheetrock down, get this paneling that's behind me down, and clean out a lot of other stuff. I'm going to continue today, pull that trim work up, get all of that trim work up, hopefully get all the sheetrock out of this room, finish getting the sheetrock out of this room, clean the floors up, pull that floor up along with that floor, and then try to pull this flooring up in here and get everything ready. That's where we're at on day 2 of the Braden house demo. Should be fun. Alright guys, we're winding down day 2. This is our mess that we've created. Got to get a dumpster in here and open top so I can dispose of all of that. I'll kind of show you where we're at now. Didn't do really anything in the kitchen. Started pulling some of this down. Got that wall completely done. Probably gonna completely remove that to open up this living room. Nothing in the bathroom. Kind of cleaned this up a little bit. Got a little bit of nitpicky work to do. And then the house started in this room, but we've just kind of ran out of time. But they are nice, pretty hardwood floors in here and in this bedroom, but unfortunately we're covering them up with some other flooring that we've chosen. But anyways, that's it. Probably no more work done on this house for a couple more days. We'll keep you updated. All right, everybody, here is the progress we're at now. Kitchen, got all the cabinets out and moved because we're going to start laying the flooring soon. Bathroom, got the flooring up. Still need to get the toilet and the tub out, and I got to knock down these walls. And Samantha is still doing some damage on these walls in here. It's hot, by all means, it's hot. So once we get all the walls done, we'll probably go ahead and do the electrical because it's old wiring, which is not cool, and then change out the outlets. Put some insulation in, and then rock on the floors. her goggles, but I got her. Not wearing her new gloves, wearing her old gloves. But we have not done much today. I started taking the walls out in the bathroom. Toilet is gone, hallelujah. Surround, halfway pretty much gone. So hopefully tomorrow, if I got some muscle here, bye-bye tub and the rest of this wall. And we'll wrap up this, not much left. And then we'll start on finishing up this right here. There goes a hammer. And then we'll start wrapping up the demo. And a little bit more left in here to pull down, some paneling and some sheetrock in here. All the way up to where this ugly green thing is. Then I'm gonna take that down with the rest of the sheetrock from here over to where the end of the green is, right there. It's gonna stay. And then I'll put the cabinets back. I'm gonna put the flooring down, which I think's in. We hope. We hope. We did get our front doors in today. Front and back door, they look beautiful. We just gotta figure out what color to stain them. And we're also on the look out for doors for our bathroom, bedrooms, and closets. Wood doors. We're going solid wood. That's it for now. So we have done some major work. Almost all of the walls have the sheetrock and paneling pulled down. So we're going to clean all our mess up tomorrow, which we've got a lot. Then we're going to take down some fixturing, all the fixturing. There's some in the bedroom too, some ugly fans. And then we're gonna start Sunday taking down the sheetrock up here. And then we're gonna rewire some stuff next week. But then we've also got to replace some nasty framing underneath some windows. Probably have never been replaced before. And it is nasty. Like that one, that's probably the worst. Just crumbles when you touch it. But anyways, that's where we're at so far. Moving right along. Yay. Well, we're almost 3 weeks into this project and we've gotten all of the sheetrock, as you can see behind me, down from the walls and from the ceiling. And today we tried to rewire some electrical wire because it had to be done to get it up to code. Got most of it rewired. I'm gonna have to bring somebody else in to help me kind of figure things out because we're gonna redo some things. But other than that, we have been getting ready to do the floors, get the sheetrock back up. We pretty good pace, got windows coming in soon. Our front doors and our front door and our side door have come in. We're just waiting until the end to kind of put those in. And we've got to dispose of a lot of garbage. But I'll kind of give y'all a little tour of where we're at so far at about 2 weeks and 3 days, I think, is where we're at. But anyways, it's hot. It's like 90 something degrees. Probably humidity is pushing it over 100 and there's no air. And there's a lot of flies. I don't know where the flies came from today. They're annoying. So anyways, that's where we're at. All right, so these are the garbage bags of insulation that we did not dump yesterday because we had my truck loaded down. But as you can see, I started running some wire. Got it running all through here. Got it down to about where the electrical box is and then got kind of confused. So I decided, well, I'm gonna bring somebody in. But I've ran everything that I know and then everything that we're gonna add. So that's not too bad. Got a little bit of sheetrock to clean up. I just didn't want to throw it in the pile outside. And I got sick and tired of putting things in garbage bags. But hopefully the windows will come in soon so we can replace all these old nasty windows. I gotta do some framing work in here, rerun some plumbing. I gotta get rid of this tub somehow. I'm not looking forward to that. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. Yesterday was pretty fun getting rid of all of this up here. It was nasty because with this house being a rental and being, I don't know, 50 years old or so, 60 years old, at some point they had mice and rat problems. So all the insulation up here was covered in mice poop and rat poop and pee, and it was disgusting. So thank God we had masks and goggles and glasses and hats and gloves and all that good stuff. But that's the only part left that we've got to pull down. Starting to put in some stuff to level out the floor. I've got, once I get rid of this, I'll finish doing it and cut the rest of the boards to put down. And then I'll put some of that floor leveler down, make sure everything's good before we start putting the floor up. And then we'll be rocking and rolling. So that's where we're at right now, almost 3 weeks in. Hello everybody. Got a lot done today. Got a lot that we're gonna plan on getting done this weekend. The demoing is pretty much officially over.
Yeah.
Now it's just putting it all back together. A few things we gotta fix. So I'll kind of give you all a rundown real quick of where we're at. All right, so we wrapped up today. It's starting to get a little dark. We still don't have power in here, so we work when we can. Tub, gone. And that thing was a beast. Actually, it's sitting right there. So don't know. That truck will be not visible when we're done because there'll be a privacy fence going all the way through there. But those are nice folks, very nice folks. So that's where our stand-up shower is going to be. It's going to be all tiled. That's good. We got a plumber coming tomorrow to help me out. Actually, he's going to get under the house and move this into the wall for our sink. Then we'll replace the wax seal and all that good stuff. And then hopefully Sunday when the electrician comes to help me finish, he can help me put in the windows, which there's 3 of them there. And the rest of them I haven't picked up yet. And then we got a lot of lumber to cut up and fix all the rotted spots, the studs, and the stuff underneath the windows. I'm starting to put down some flooring to level things out. Need to cut a few pieces, bring a generator, hopefully tomorrow. Cut some pieces and get that in. Then put some floor leveler out, and hopefully start laying some floor next week. What you think?
I'm just ready to be done.
She's ready to be done. It's Gatorade time. Time to roll down the road with the windows down and the AC wide open.
The air C.
The air C. Yeah, the AC. That's it. That's where we're at.